Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars account locked or suspended. If Brawl Stars says your account is locked or suspended, do not panic. This is usually a temporary. First, read the message carefully. Supercell often loads accounts due to suspicious logins, chargebacks or rule violations. If it's a temporary lock, wait the specified time to avoid logging in repeatedly, which can extend the lock. Next, open the game and tap the contact support in the login screen. After that, explain the situation clearly and include your player tag if you know it. If the lock happened after switching devices or reasons, mention that specifically. This helps support verify your identity faster. And then avoid creating a new account while waiting, as that can complicate recovery. Once Supercell reviews your case, access is fully restored if no rules were broken. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.